Good morning, students. This is the concluding part of the story, The 12 Months. Up to now, we have seen that Helena and her mother have told Maraukla to bring violets and strawberries. And both these desires of her stepmother and stepsister are satisfied by Maraukla. On the third day, Helena orders her to bring red apples, ripe red apples. Now, ripe red apples on the trees are available in the month of September, almost at the end of September. That is the autumn season, and this is winter. But they have ordered it, otherwise Maraukla knows the punishment. They are going to kill her if she is not able to satisfy their wish. So once again on the third day, Maraukla goes out. She doesn't go out actually. She is forced out of the home, and she has to go out once again. She seeks the help of 12 months. Great January helps her, and all the 12 months they help her. Great January hands over his club of authority to the month of September, and September takes the position of authority, and for a short duration it is autumn season in this short area, and red apples are available for Maraukla. She shakes the apple tree and gets 2 apples. Now September gives his command that don't try to get more apples from the tree, because cold wind has started to blow, and snow, the melting of the snow has decreased, and snowfall has also started. Therefore, the month of September tells her to take only 2 apples and rush towards her home. Go quickly, run home quickly, he orders her. Maraukla, with those 2 apples, quickly goes to her home and hands over those 2 apples to Helena and her mother. They eat those apples, ripe apples. Now they are so delicious, so sweet and tasty that mother and Helena, they are not satisfied with eating only 2 apples. They want to eat more apples, and moreover they feel that perhaps Maraukla has eaten some apples on her way home. Therefore they are not ready now to send once again Maraukla to bring them apples. They themselves decide to go out in the snow and collect more apples. Now they, that is Maraukla's stepmother and her stepsister Helena, go out to bring apples. What happens is the last part of the story. They go out, their road is described here. The snow lay deep and they wandered about for a long time. They are now in search of the apples. Maraukla has told them that the apple tree is growing on the high mountains. Therefore, they are on their way to high mountain. They reach the high mountain where 12 months are sitting. But without asking the permission or using any polite word of permission or greeting, they go near the fire and begin to warm their hands. They are not polite, they are rude. Their rude behavior angers 12 months. 12 months become angry because of their rude behavior. But still, Great January asks them, why you have come here and what you are looking for. This is a natural question, because you see, they are now Maraukla's stepmother and Maraukla's stepsister Holena. They are in the area of 12 months where they are sitting. They have entered that magic circle, and therefore naturally they ask Maraukla's stepmother and her stepsister, why you have come here? But this question is asked angrily by Great January. But Maraukla's stepmother and Holena, her stepsister, because they are rude, Holena replies, and she replies angrily, why do you want to know, you old fool? Now, this question cannot be asked to a host, because Great January is almost like a host in this area. And who is the guest? Guests are Holena and her mother. But instead of politely answering his question, Holena angrily asks him, why do you want to know, you old fool? It is no business of yours. This once again, this angers Great January more. Great January frowned and swung the club over his head. Great January becomes more angry, raises his eyebrows, and he swings that club, that stick, over his head. The sky grew dark in a moment. The fire burned low. This is the description of January, the cold weather. Fire burned low. That means heat began to get decreased. The snow began to fall thick, heavily. Heavily snow becomes falling. Snow is beginning to fall heavily, and an icy, very cold wind began to blow through the forest. Now, the coldness of the weather is increasing. With the coldness, increased coldness of the weather, ice becomes thick, it becomes heavy, icefall becomes heavy, and Holena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them. Therefore, because of the heaviness of the snowfall, they were not able to see anything in front of them. They tried to find their way out. Now, apples are not available. They are not able to see even anything in front of them, and let them perhaps they give up their desire to collect the apples. they at least they might have wanted to return back home, but they lose their way to their home. They are lost. They tried to find their way out, but the snow fell so pale in huge masses, and soon they were lost in it. So, because of snowfall, they lost their way, and thereafter they might have been buried deep under the snow. They tried to find their way out, but the snow fell in huge masses, and so soon they were lost in it. That is, they were buried under the snow. At home, Maraukla waited and waited. Now, Maraukla waited for the return of her stepmother and stepsister, but they never returned back. At last, she returned home sadly. That is, Maraukla thereafter went to see for them, went to search for them, but she was not able to find any trace of her stepsister and stepmother. So, Maraukla returned back, but she was sad. Now, because she was a kind-hearted girl, she felt sad that her stepsister and stepmother are lost somewhere in the snow. But she never found out where they are buried. So, good Maraukla inherited the cottage and the land around it. Thereafter, the meaning of inheritance or to inherit is to get property legally after the death of parents. Her stepmother was now her parent, Maraukla's parent. After the death of her stepmother and stepsister also, she was the complete proprietor of that cottage and land around it. She married a kind husband, and they both lived happily ever after. Thereafter, she married a kind-hearted husband, a good husband, and her husband and Maraukla lived happily ever after. There was nobody to disturb her happy life after the death of her stepmother and her stepsister. So this is the usual end of every fairy tale, students, understand it, because almost all the fairy tales end happily for the good people, and bad people are punished and destroyed at the end of fairy tales. So this is the end of our short story, fairy tale, The 12 Months. So you must have enjoyed it. Thanks.